Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've been craving something that I just can't seem to get to. The Chinese restaurant. They're all closed because of the pandemic, so who needs it? Today I'm going to make jasmine rice, shrimp with broccoli, and garlic sauce. So thanks for sticking around, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you continue to come back. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you'll know exactly when I upload. So without further ado, let's get to it. So to accomplish this dish, you'll need the following ingredients: fresh scallions, a fresh small head of broccoli, shrimp peeled and deveined, sugar, black pepper, salt, red pepper, garlic, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and my favorite, jasmine rice. I have washed the scallions, and the important part is actually the bottom piece because it's going to go into the marinade that you're going to make. So you don't need these little hairy things. Those can be discarded. But what you're going to do is you're going to take this stalk, and that white part, you're going to cut it really fine. Okay. Once you have these white parts cut, you separate them and you put them in a separate bowl. And I will show you why in a few. Just separate those out nicely. I used about 2 scallions for this, unless you can find the scallions with the really big bulbs at the end, the white part. So I'm just gonna go ahead, finish adding that. And then you're gonna take the rest of the scallion and cut that up as well, because that is also part of the marinade. So for my marinade, I'm going to add a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce. Then I'm going to add the green parts with the garlic. And to finish it off, I'm going to use a tablespoon of sugar. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of heat, so you know your eyes are widen a little when you taste this. So I'm just adding regular red pepper crushed flakes. That's good enough. And I'm just gonna whisk that all together. And I will let that sit and show you the next step. Next, I'm going to go in with the Murray River Gourmet Salt Flakes. It's the naturally pink salt. And I'm just going to add a little salt to the shrimp and some black pepper. And give it a little whirl. So mix that all up. And be sure to wash your hands in between. So while my water is boiling to blanch my broccoli, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of jasmine rice to 2 cups of water. And go ahead and let that come to a boil and then cook for 25 minutes. This rice is so good. I love this jasmine rice. You don't have to put any oil, any butter. It really comes out fluffy and just so damn delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that and lower the heat on it. Next, I'm going to whip out my oldie but goodie, my wok. And I added 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna put that on a low heat. So while my butter is heating up, I have the white parts of the scallion as well as some garlic, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to butter mixture and bring that to a light fry. So while that is frying, my water is now boiling for broccoli. I am now adding some fresh, cleaned, washed broccoli to the water, and please guys, do not boil this for more than 2 minutes. Blanching broccoli just means that you just want to warm it up enough, soften it enough, but not kill the color and the flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and put that timer on for 2 minutes to blanch the broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. And I'm going to let that cook for about 1 minute. You don't have to overcook the shrimp. They don't need to be crispy in this case. So now that my broccoli is blanched, I'm going to stop that timer, turn the fire off, and then I'm going to drain the broccoli in a strainer. Make sure my shrimp is cooking nicely, and it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the broccoli to the shrimp. And I'm going to mix that all around gently, more like folding it over so you don't tear the broccoli up. And while those flavors are merging together, I'm going to grab my marinade. And the marinade's been sitting for a minute, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to whisk it to make sure the cornstarch and the oils and everything is mixed evenly before pouring it over my shrimp and broccoli mixture. So I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. Then I'm going to add that all over. Smells amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue that folding process. And allow that to thicken with the cornstarch. So I'm going to leave that alone for a few minutes and just allow cornstarch and mixture to do its thing and thicken over medium heat. My rice is looking good, and all is well in America. So now that the sauce is bubbling and it's starting to thicken, I'm going to go ahead and start turning that fire off and allow it to sit for approximately 30 seconds to a minute. Looks amazing, guys.